the Nile, right out of Egypt, riding the Nile. Wow, the mighty Nile. We are heading out on the river. There's going to be some light boats, and this thing is quite a big machine, as you can see. So let's just hope it stays afloat. Side of the Nile. I'm talking, we're cruising right on down. I highly recommend you guys check out this tour. It is a night cruise on the Andrea. This boat is really unique. It's huge. It's got a downstairs of music, and we are ready to rock, guys. We are ready to rock. So we're cruising up the Nile River in the middle of the night, and you wouldn't believe it. That's how it's going to be out here tonight. There's a bunch of lit up boats over here, so we'll see you when we get there. We are on a night cruise, and we are cruising indeed. Just crossed under a bridge, and we're making a big loop in the river. So if you want to come out and enjoy the beautiful sceneries of Cairo at night, that's just a little bit of what you'll see. So we got some light boats going down the river. You can see the wind's picking up tonight. Quite a bit of wake out there, but hey, we'll just keep praying for the best. And we're just heading down the Nile.